Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And Microsoft has acknowledged that on some specific hardware, Explorer.exe was a little unstable in the past months. So some users would actually log into their PC, go to the lock screen, enter their password, or log in, with facial recognition, whatever. And when they would be on the desktop, the taskbar would be missing, and that is one of the issues that they were encountering. Also, some had the taskbar, but had a blank um, screen with nothing on it, no icons, anything. And there were some also with some specific hardware that were saying that when they would get to their desktop, it would be dreadfully slow and that it wouldn't work well. So Microsoft does say that all of those problems should be fixed since the Patch Tuesday update. Part of what happened on Patch Tuesday is also a few bug fixes that were rolled out with the security updates. So they're saying that those bug fixes that rolled out on Windows 11 will also fix the instability that was on Explorer.exe. They had been looking at it for a while, but had not acknowledged that it was happening, actually. So if you have installed Patch Tuesday KB 508-9549, normally those that had these issues of either a missing taskbar, blank screen, or dreadfully slow, if not frozen desktop, should be fixed for the most part. So if any of you have encountered that problem in the past and seem to have it fixed now, let us know in the description below and in the comments. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.